Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making three types of chicken patties. For the filling, we will add 2 teaspoons of oil in a hot pan. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, sliced onions, and boneless chicken breast cut in small cubes. Then add soy sauce, salt and pepper as per your taste. Stir a little and then add the chopped spring onions. Add a spoon of refined flour to make the filling dry and thick. Mix it well. Now our filling is ready. We will show you three types of puff pastry sheet folds today. The first one is net style fold. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as this will give us the opportunity of showing you more easy and tempting recipes. Be careful while cutting it as you might tear mistakenly. This is the next style, and it is called ventilated cylinder fold. While folding the sides, make sure they are tightly sealed, as they might open while baking. This is how you can ventilate it. Now seal it properly with a fork. This is the third type and the simplest of all. It is called the triangle fold. For these puffs, we are using the puff pastry sheets available in the market. You can make them at home as well. Make sure you seal the sides properly. Now you take an egg and beat it. We'll use the egg for glazing our patties. It will bring the lovely texture after baking. Glaze like this. And sprinkle a few sesame seeds. Now, in a preheated oven, bake them at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Wow, what a mouth-watering scene it is! Can't wait to taste them. Yes, it's completely ready and it smells marvelous. Serve hot. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Do take a look and comment on how you like the recipe. Thanks.